So if you've been on Bumble for a while, but you've been hardly getting any matches, now you've seen a sparkly little Bumble Boost upgrade option, and wonder if it's really worth it. This is Koen from Hovalo to the rescue. In today's video, I'm purchasing Bumble Boost Live and walk you through all its features, including my own favorite feature. So let's jump into it. So what is Bumble Boost? Bumble Boost is a paid subscription that gives your Bumble account more functionality. It's not going to give you superpowers, but it will introduce a few very useful features that you were probably missing. Note that you won't get all of Bumble's functions with Bumble Boost. That's because there's a more expensive subscription available called Bumble Premium. In this video, I'll also compare the two and I'll tell you which Bumble subscription is better. So let's purchase Bumble Boost and see what we're getting. First things first, you want to tap the gray silhouette on your bottom left corner of your screen. You'll be sent to a page where you can see the subscriptions. From there, you're going to select Bumble Boost and click on the upgrade button. Now you click on the upgrade button, click on choose a different plan so you can see the different prices for the subscriptions. For the purpose of this video, I'll purchase a 1-week option. Normally, you will probably go for a 3 or a 6-month option. Now, what exactly are you getting with Bumble Boost? Feature number 1 is unlimited swiping. This used to be a standard feature of Bumble, but they introduced limited swiping just like Hinge. This feature is most useful when you live in an area that has a lot of people to go through, you aren't getting many matches, or you would like to get a lot of matches. So let's do some swiping. Don't really see a lot. Right now, I'm just going through the profiles a little bit quicker, just for the illustration of this video. Feature number 2 is SuperSwipes. Each dating app has their own version of super likes, and Bumble's version is called SuperSwipes. It lets the person know that you really like them. You'll get 5 every week. When they come across your profile, they will see that you super swipe them. Just like with Spotlights, SuperSwipes can be purchased separately. The way you use SuperSwipe is on the bottom right corner of your screen, or when you scroll all the way down, it's in the middle on the bottom. Bang. So now we super swiped. Function number 3 is unlimited extensions. You know what's the worst? Matching an awesome girl and seeing her match disappear because she didn't text you for 24 hours. To solve that problem, Bumble Boost lets you extend all your matches for another 24 hours. So let me show you how that works. You go to your matches, and then here we have matches in the top, and then we click on it, and then we click on extend. Extend, voila. Feature number 4 is unlimited rematching. Sometimes you might forget or you don't have time to respond to her opening message. If you don't reply within 24 hours to her initial message, the match will expire. What you could do with a rematch function is to reactivate the conversation. Unlike the extension function, you don't get any of these with the free Bumble subscription. So let me show you. Okay, so now we have a conversation. So let's just pretend this one, right? And we're like, oh, this is actually a very cute girl. And then we can be like, okay, let's click the rematch. And now the match is reactivated. Feature number 5 is the backtrack function. Did you swipe left on a hottie by accident? Don't worry, because now you can go back and fix the slip, thanks to the backtrack function. Let me show you how to use the backtrack function. You go to your matches, and then now let's say this girl, and let's say I swipe her left, and I'm like, fuck, this is actually a very cute girl. I would click on the top left, and then voila, the match is back. Fun fact, the backtrack feature was once available for free users too, but then it was removed and made exclusive for Bumble Boost and Bumble Premium subscribers. I promise you I will reveal my favorite feature, and here it is. Feature number 6 is getting a weekly Bumble Spotlight. Bumble Spotlight is the equivalent to Tinder Boost. The Spotlight feature will get your profile seen by up to 10 times more people over the course of 30 minutes. Often using a Bumble Spotlight results in a bunch of new matches. But more on that in a bit. Of course, you're not getting all of these features for free, so let's talk about the cash money situation. I'll share with you a little secret. The pricing of dating app changes more than the mood of your ex-girlfriend. So don't expect it to be static for the next 3 years. The current price is between $15 and $20 for 1 month and between $15 and $60 for 6 months. As always, you're getting a better deal when you commit longer. But wait, maybe you should get Premium instead of Boost. With Bumble Premium, you're getting 4 additional features. Number 1 is incognito mode. In this mode, only people you swipe right get to see your profile. Feature 2 is travel mode. With this, you can change your location just like with Tinder Passport. Feature number 3 is filters. This allows you to specify additional criteria for screening. such as height, exercise, or smoking. Feature 4 is Beeline. This of course is my favorite feature. With this you get to see the people who have already liked your profile. But remember, with more power comes more responsibility. And by that I mean you have to pay more. The cost of Premium is $35 for 1 month and $90 for 6 months. However, they do have a Bumble lifetime option that's between $150 to $230. Now let's cover the most important question: is Bumble Boost really worth it? Before we answer that question, we need to discuss 2 more things. The first thing is that you need to have enough people in your area that are using Bumble. If there are 10,000 people living in a 50-mile radius, you're not gonna have a lot of matches, with or without Bumble Boost. The second thing is that Bumble Boost will not fix a very bad profile. If you're not getting any matches right now, purchasing Bumble Boost will do not much. So if you live in a normal area and your profile is okay, where you're price sensitive and you want to get a better experience on Bumble, then Bumble Boost is worth it. I do think you get better value if you choose to go for the Bumble Premium lifetime. Bumble isn't going anywhere, so in the long run, this is amazing value. That was it for Bumble Boost. I hope this video has helped you make the decision. 2 last things before we wrap up. First, it'd be amazing if you would like the video, comment and subscribe to let me know that you're finding value in my content. Lastly, in today's video, we briefly talked about my favorite feature, Bumble Spotlight. Make sure to check out our video about this feature so you don't end up wasting your Bumble Spotlight. Click on your screen and see you in the next video.